continue our discussion. Excuse me. So, ang gagawin natin ngayon ay plotting irrational numbers. So, we will plot in our irrational numbers up to square roots. Ayun, siguro yung square root sa tinutukoy dito is square root ng perfect, yun nga, perfect squares on a number line. And pinakita ko na nung sa mga previous video kung paano plot ng irrational numbers gaya nito. Ayan, square root of 8 between 2 and 3. Ayan, kaya importante na alam mo kung ano yung mga perfect squares. Importante na alam mo na dedepende ka sa radicand. Ayan po, inasa number na nasa ilalim ng square root of ng isang radical sign. So by the way, to review you, for example, we have square root of 8. Ang tawag dito sa 8 natin ay radicand. Yan. If I haven't mentioned on the previous videos, then itong parang sign na ito, parang check sign, is the radical sign or radical. And there is something here. So invisible na to. This is invisible. So hindi ito nilalagay, yung 2. Hindi ito nilalagay. So that is called index. Ayan, index po. Pero itong 2 na to hindi nilalagay. So ang nilalagay lang po ay yung 3 pataas. Halimbawa is ayan, cube root of 8. So this is cube root of 8. And ang tawag dito ay index. So ang tawag dito ay cube root. So cube root of 8. And hindi ito kasali sa ating discussion. Yan, hindi ito kasali sa ating discussion. And what we are going to do is plot the irrational numbers or square roots. Ayan. And kung papansin nyo rito, dito pa lang, ginagamit na natin yung concept ng square roots, no? Square root of 3 is closer to 2. Why? Kasi pag kinuha natin yung square root ng 3 using your calculator, actually dapat hindi ito equal sign. It should be approximation symbol. So dapat square root of 3 is approximately equal to 1.73. Hindi dapat equal sign. Ganun din dito. Square root of 23 is approximately equal to 4.80. And square root of 48 is approximately equal to 6.93. So, dapat hindi equal sa yung ginagamit dito. And kung mapapansin nyo yung pwesto ng square root of 3, malapit, closer sa 2. Okay, closer sa 2. And kung i-relate natin yung perfect square radicand, sige, limbawa is square root of 1. So, yung radicand na may perfect square, so 1 is a perfect square. Actually, 2 dito is square root of 4, and square root of 4 is 2, kung maaalala nyo. Then 3 is actually square root of 9, kung maaalala nyo, diba? Square root of 9 is equal to 3. Then square root of 4, dapat nandito siya, no? Ito dapat yan. Square root of 4, yan. 4 is equal to square root of 16, and square root of 16 is equal to 4 kung i-review natin. And yung 5 dito actually is square root of 25. And yung 6, square root of 36. Kahit i-check sa calculator, using your calculator, ayan, square root of 36 is equal to 6. And yung 7 dito is square root of 49. Ayan, 7 times 7 is 49, remember, ayan, square root of 49. And at kung mapapansin nyo, ayan, square root of 3 andito, closer sa 2. And kung mapapansin nyo rin, ayan, square root of 3, next is square root of 4. Kaya reasonable na mas malapit ito sa square root of, mas malapit ito sa integer na 2. Ayan, and ipa-plot natin or ilalagay natin yung point near 2. Tama, di ba? And reasonable din sa square root of 23, ayan, ito yung square root of 23. Then, after that is square root of 24, then square root of 25. Reasonable na mas malapit dun sa 5, di ba? Okay, next. square root of 48, ayan. Reasonable na malapit sa 7 kasi next sa square root of 48 is square root of 49. So, tama tayo. Yan. Again, we are going to plot points. And let us say square root of 15. Yan, square root of 15. At kung babalikan natin yung mga previous video natin, square root of 15 is between integers 3 and 4. Ito yun, no? At malapit ito sa square root of 16, which is equal to 4. So, paano ang gagawin natin? Ano po ang dapat na ilagay sa number line? Square root po ba? Or yung whole number? O yung integers? So, pwede rin na whole numbers. So, we all know that, ayan, pwede tayo magbilang. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And we all know that ito ay square root of 1. Ito ay square root of 4. So, if you wonder kung paano nakukuha yan, 2 times 2 is 4. Ayan. 3 times 3 is 9. And square root of 9. Ayan. This is 16. This is square root of 25. And this is square root of 36. Ayan. And kapag chinek nyo sa calculator, you will get, ayan, square root of 1 is equal to 1. Square root of 2 is, square root of 4 is equal to 2. Square root of 9 is equal to 3. And so on. At we care about square root of 15, which is closer dito, di ba? Pinaka-close. So, dito natin siya ilalagay. Square root of 15. Reasonable enough. Closer sa 4. Okay? Closer sa 4. Ayan. How about ito? Square root of 46. So, let us try. Then, the other numbers, kayo na magsusubok. So, dito, we end up 6. So, I think start tayo sa 6. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Square root of, so 6 times 6 is 36, no? Ayan. 7 times 7 is 49. 8 times 8 is 64. So, mahalaga na marunong kayo ng multiplication. 9 times 9 is 81. 10 times 10 is 100. 11 times 11 is 121. Ayan. Mahalaga na marunong kayo mag-multiplication. And, pardon me sa aking handwriting. Ganun talaga. And we care about square root of 46. Square root of 46. So, malapit dito sa 49, no? Sa 49, 48, 47, 46. So, dito, square root of 46. So, tinatansya lang natin. So, here it is. Okay? Yan. Yan. Closer siya sa 7. So, between 6 and 7, pero mas close sa 7. Then, the other digits, halimbawa, ito square root of 55, may guide na kayo dito, no? Sinimulan ko na yung guide. And, i-continue na lang. Ayan po. So, I think that's it.